So earlier I used to spend around 2 hours to design one thumbnail, but now this AI agent builds one thumbnail in under 60 seconds. I was doing everything myself, opening Canva, finding backgrounds, cutting out my face, adjusting colors, but it still looked average. So I built my own AI system. You just upload your photo, add your video title and your description, and then you hit submit. 3 different AI agents starts working together. First one creates explosive styles, second one creates urgency style, and the third one creates creative style, all with unique visuals. 3 minutes later, you get 3 different professional YouTube thumbnails. No more guessing what looks good. AI does everything for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So yes, this is really insane. So I'll be showing you exactly how this works. So for this, I'll just come to my school community, and here in the classroom section, you will find YouTube resources. I'll click here and then you will see YouTube thumbnail generator. So here you will find the JSON file. I'll just download this. I'll click on download. And now I'll open my NA10. So this is my NA10 dashboard. So I'll come here and I'll import the file here. So after uploading the workflow, this is what you will see. So now I'll click on execute workflow. And then we'll see these 3 options here, wherein we'll have to enter a video title, video description, and then we'll have to upload an image. Okay. So for video title, I'll open my YouTube and I'll simply copy this title from here. Okay. And I'll come here again and paste the title here. And now we need the video description. So for video description, I'll come here. I'll just copy this from here. And then I'll come here again, I'll paste the description here, and now it says I have to upload an image. So I'll upload an image of mine. I'll choose file, and from here I'll select this image of mine and I'll submit. Okay, and now if I come back to the workflow, you can see it is uploading the file in Google Drive, and then we can see here the AI agent is generating the prompt, and then it will put this to Fal AI and will generate the image using Google Nano Banana, and here we'll be waiting for 50 seconds. Now you can see it is downloading the image and now it is uploading the image. Once this is done, then it will come through this node, and again it is generating a prompt. This time the style will be of urgency, and then after generating the prompt, it is going to Fal AI and it is generating the image again, and then we'll be waiting 50 seconds and the download is done and upload is done. And now it will come back through this node. It is generating a different prompt now, and this time the style will be a bit creative. So after generating the prompt, it will again send the prompt through Fal AI, and then it will wait for 50 seconds again. And now we can see it is downloading and now the upload is done. Okay, so now all our 3 thumbnail designs are ready. Okay, so we can see the thumbnails. So let me click here and I'll click on view. So this is the first thumbnail that it has created. Now I'll click on close, and now let us check the second thumbnail. This is the one. I'll click on view. Now I'll close this. Let us check the third one. Let me click here and click on view. So this is the third thumbnail that it has created. Okay, so this looks really good. And now if I check my Google Drive, so this is my Google Drive. I'll click on refresh. So after refreshing, we can see 3 thumbnails here that was created. Now let us open this and check. This looks really amazing. So out of these 3 options, you can download whichever option you want to use for your video. Okay, now let us understand in simple how this works. So this is how the basic flow works. So as soon as we enter our requirement, including the picture, so first it will upload the picture in Google Drive so that it gives a public URL. Okay, so then based on our requirement, there are 3 AI agents which will generate 3 different prompts. Okay, so one will be of explosive nature, other one will be for urgency, and the third one will be creative in nature. Okay, so after the prompt and image URL is ready, it will send all these details to Google Nano Banana through Fal AI. Okay, then Google Nano Banana will generate all my thumbnail and will get thumbnail 1, thumbnail 2, thumbnail 3. Now let us understand what happens inside each node. Okay, so we'll come here again. So the first node that we have is form trigger node. Okay, so here we'll have to enter a video title, we'll have to enter a video description, and then we have to upload an image. Okay, so in my case, I have uploaded my image because I want my image to be there in the thumbnail. Okay, so this is what we have done here. So if I open this, you can see, so we are asking for video title, then we are asking for video description, and then we are asking to upload the image. Okay, so this is what happens here. So the second node that we have is upload a file to Google Drive. So the reason we are having this node is because we'll be uploading an image and we need a public URL for that image, because this public URL will be sent to Fal Fel AI, where we'll be generating the image. So if you don't know what is Fel AI, so you just come to Google and you can search it. So Fel AI is a fast developer focused platform for running advanced AI models, especially for creating images, videos, and 3D content from text or other inputs. Okay, so this is what we are using. So if you want, there are other tools also, but in my case I like this, so I'm using this tool. So now I'll come back here again. So if I see this upload a file node, I'll open this, and here you can see the input data field name. So this name has to match with this name, and then we have the file name. If you come to schema, you'll find the file name here. You can drag and drop it here, then you will get the file name here. Okay, so now on the right hand side you see, so this is a web content link. So this is the URL that will be feeding to Fel AI for us to generate the image. So for this URL only we are using Google Drive node. So now I'll close this. So after this we have 3 different AI agent. Okay, so the purpose is different for all these agents. So the first agent will generate thumbnails which will be of explosive nature. The second one will generate a thumbnail which will create some urgency. The third one will generate a thumbnail which will be creative of nature. Okay, so 3 different AI agents I've mentioned here. So the goal of all these AI agents is to generate a prompt which I will further give it to Fel AI to edit the image. So now if I open this, I have given user prompt. If I open this, you can see the prompt in detail. So here I have got the image URL. So you can get the image URL with this link. Okay, you can simply drag and drop this link, and then we have the title and description. So for title and description, you'll open this, and here you'll get the title from here. You can drag and drop it here, and the description you can drag and drop it here. And then we have mentioned a prompt: generate an explosive high energy nano banana thumbnail prompt. Okay, so basically if you want your thumbnail to be of explosive style, you have to mention the prompt in such a way. Okay, so I have mentioned all these prompts in details so that I want my thumbnail to be of explosive nature. So now I'll close this. Similarly, I have second AI agent here. So if I open this here, if I open the prompt user message, this one is same image URL, title and description I've taken from left hand side, and here I have mentioned generate a speedy urgency theme nano banana thumbnail, and here are the prompts. So in this case also you have to generate the prompt in such a way so that it gives you a thumbnail based out of urgency and speed. So if I open the system message, here you can see the prompt. So the prompt is given so that I can get the thumbnail which will be of urgency or speed. So now I'll close this. Similarly, if I close this again, now you can see there is third AI agent. This time it will be of creative style. So if I open this, I can open this again. So here we have given the URL, title, description from left hand side, and here I have given a prompt. So this time our prompt has to be in such a way so that our output is of creative in nature. So this is the prompt that I have given. Now if I close this, now if I open the system message, you can see this prompt. So I have generated all these prompts using ChatGPT. So if you want all these prompts in details, you can join my community, you can get it there. So now I'll close this, and now for all this AI agent to think, we have to give them a brain. Okay, so for brain I have selected open router. So if I open this, you can see, so I've selected the model Claude Sonnet 4.5. okay, so if you want to use OpenAI chat model, you can go ahead with it, but for my case I have selected open router, and from there I'm selecting Anthropic Claude Sonnet 4.5 because this is what I believe gives me good output. So after all these 3 prompts are ready, we'll feed all this information to Fel AI using post request. Okay, because here we are sending information to Fel AI. For this reason we'll be using post request. So let us see how this works. So if I open this, this is HTTP post request. For URL, I have entered this URL. So if you want all this information, you can get it in the API documentation of Fel AI. Just go to Google, search for Fel AI Nano Banana, and click on the first link, and then you will get this one. And simply you can click on API section here, and here you can read all the API documentation. So I've got the URL from here. So this is the URL, post URL. So I've just copied and pasted this URL here, and then I'm sending headers here. So in the name you can see authorization, and I have entered my API key. So if you want the API key, you simply come to your Fel AI dashboard. So this is the dashboard. Now click on manage, and then click on API keys. So after that you can click on add key, and you can generate the key, and simply you can copy paste and you can bring it here. And then we'll be sending a body here. We can see we have mentioned JSON file here. So if I open this, you can see, so we have given the prompt. So you can drag and drop the prompt from left hand side to here, and then we have image URL, and for the image URL you can get it from here. Google Drive upload a file. So this one, web content link. So this is the URL, and then number of images will be 1, aspect ratio 16:9, output format will be PNG. Okay, so this is the information that will be sending to Fal AI for us to generate the image. So this is the same thing that we have to enter here and here as well. So after sending all this information to Fal AI, so we'll have to wait for around 50 seconds. Why? Because it takes approximately 30 to 40 seconds for Fal AI to generate the image. So this is the reason we'll be waiting for 50 seconds approximately. So now if you come here, you can see I have added a wait node of 50 seconds here. Okay, so similarly I have added the same thing here and here as well. We'll be waiting for 50 seconds for the output to generate. So now after waiting for 50 seconds, we'll finally get the result here. So here we have added another HTTP request, but this time it will be get request, because this time I'm getting this information from Fal AI. It will not be post. Okay, so now you can see method is get, and then we have the URL. So this is the response URL. You can simply drag and drop it here. So this one, and then authentication will be none. So send headers, you can turn this on, and again we have entered our API key here. So after we get the result, it is also important for us to download the image that we have generated. So for downloading the image, we'll add another HTTP node. So this time it will be of get request, because here we are getting the file. Okay, so we are downloading the file. For this reason we have used get, and now in the URL section you can drag and drop it here. So this one is the image URL, and then after this is executed, you can see the file here. So if I click on view, you can see the file here that was generated. Okay, so now I'll close this. The same thing we will have to do here and here. For 3 different AI agents, we'll have to do the same thing. So now after we have downloaded all this image, we'll upload these files into a Google Drive folder. Okay, so one is of explosive, other one is of urgency, and the third one is of creative. So we'll upload all of them in a Google folder. So this is what we have done here. You can see, so this is upload file 1, upload file 2, upload file 3. So if you open this, you can see here, so the resource is file, operation upload, so input data, fill name data. So this one should match with this one, and then you don't have to mention any file name here. You can simply select your Google Drive folder wherever you want to upload. And we have done the same thing for this AI agent and for this AI agent. Okay, so finally if I open this Google Drive folder, we can see all these images will be here. So finally we have got 3 different thumbnails of 3 different styles as a result. So earlier people used to waste a lot of time to generate one single thumbnail, and even they wasted a lot of money for it. Okay, but still they were not satisfied with the result that they have got. So finally we have a workflow where you can generate 3 different thumbnails in under 3 minutes with 0 design skills. So now if you want the JSON file, if you want all the prompts, if you want the step-by-step guide, you can join my community and you can get all these files for free. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you need more contents on AI automation, you can subscribe to my channel.